Welcome to Health, Abshar. Everyone like healthy and cheerful life. So before we start our journey, we would like to give some information about Malaysia Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia Independence Day, 31 August 1957, and Kuala Lumpur is capital city of Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur has also been proposed. It was originally named Pangkalan Lumpur, Muddy Landing Place. The origin of it dates to 1857, when a group of 87 Chinese tin miners founded a settlement at what is now the suburb of Ampang, and Kuala Lumpur age is about 165 years. Let's start our journey. Today, we are going to visit Twin Tower and Aquaria. Please stay with us until the end. Twin Towers is the famous place in Kuala Lumpur, also known as the Petronas Twin Towers or KLCC. Twin Tower.it has 88-story supertal. Construction started March 1, 1993, opened August 31, 1999. Aquaria KLCC is a state-of-the-art aquarium located in the heart of the city. Most of visitors visit this place. It's quite famous in Malaysia. It's a big source of income for Malaysia. Date opened August 2005.